Are you looking for a beachy wave bob with no permatease? Oh yeah, and it has a little bang. Okay, let me show you one. Hi guys, welcome back into my channel. Today I'm going to show you a new style from Push Hair by Wig Studio One, and this one is called Catherine, and this color is Shaken Oatmeal Blonde. Y'all, this is so cute. Now, if you're not a fan of beachy wave styles, this is not your wig. But as you know, I am a big fan of a beachy wave style, and I love Push Hair. If you are new to my channel, first of all, welcome. Push Hair from Wig Studio One is the in-house brand of Wig Studio One. They're heat-friendly fiber wigs. They collaborated with Beltress, and they made these heat-friendly styles from Beltress fibers, and the caps on these are gorgeous. I'm going to show you these, but y'all, I love this little wig. I think it is just out of the box, ready to wear. Beautiful, gorgeous lace front on this. There's nothing about it I don't like. Now this has a bang that's about 3 to 4 inches. It's way too long for me, as you can see, but you can easily trim this to make it fit, but I like mine just swept to the side. You can leave a little down. Y'all, this is cute. Now, as I said, these are heat-friendly fibers, so you know you're gonna have to apply some heat to these. And the tools I would use for a style like this is this really small curling iron. I love this thing. Now it has a temperature gauge on it. Make sure whatever styling tools you're using, you're able to control the heat, and make sure you're using the correct heat. If you have any question about that, reach out to us at support@wigstudio1.com. I'll put that down here so you can see, get in touch with them. They can give you all the information about the correct heat that you need to use for your heat-friendly fibers. I would also probably use this little flat iron that I have, this small one. I like this size. It's really easy as well to get a bend in this, but probably I will use this one. This would be my favorite one to use with this wig. Okay, so let's talk about Catherine. Like I said, beachy wave style. There's no permatease here. This has a large mono top. I'm going to show you that. There's no permatease. This is just throw on and go. I think it is so cute. Choppy layers, lots and lots of choppy layers here. Now, the bang, 3 to 4 inches. The sides of Catherine are 6 to 8, and it has a 4.5 to 5 inch nape. These are the kind of wigs I find myself just grabbing, throwing on when I'm heading out the door. I think it is so, I just love the bang on this. I think they did an excellent job. Now let me show you the inside of the cap here. It has a seamless mono top. I really appreciate that. I think that is a beautiful feature of this wig. Ear to ear extended lace front. It's open wefted, and it has an extended nape with Velcro adjusters. I think that top of this is gorgeous. You can change that part anywhere within that mono top that you would like to. Now this color is so pretty. It starts out, it has a base of a medium and light brown. You can see that. And then it has these cool neutral blonde undertones all through it. It's kind of highlighted with some light blonde highlights. And then it has a medium brown root. I feel like this is a very neutral color, in my opinion. I think it works well with a lot of skin tones. I love that light brown base on this. This is a very wearable color. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this look at Catherine from Push Hair. If you would like to see all of the Push Hair pieces, just head over to wigstudio1.com. They did send me this wig for review, and I really appreciate it. I'm glad I got to show you this one. It feels summer ready to me. It's like, this just feels like summer, a cute wig to throw on and go. Let me know your thoughts on this. Have you tried this? Have you tried any of the push pieces? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching today. I'll see you soon.